I gave myself a budget of $200 and I wanted to see what type of keyboard I could build. With that much money, there's honestly a lot of possibilities, but in this video, I'll show you what I managed to put together. To begin, we need to start outlining what we need. The main component that I went with is this keyboard kit by CIY. This is the Tester 68, which is a pre-built kit including the case, PCB, and stabilizers all compacted in one unit. It's actually the cheapest component in this build, coming in at a price of $45. The case is white for the colorway and is constructed of plastic ABS for the material. The PCB has pre-installed stabilizers with 68 sockets consisting of up to a 5-pin input. Since this is hot swappable, that means that you can include switches that has either 3 or 5-pin connection without the need to solder. I plan to use this keyboard for productivity with the sole purpose of typing on it, so it should be noted that this does not feature any wires. Everything is either wireless using a 2.4G connection or by 5.0 Bluetooth. It's powered by AAA batteries that can last for up to 2 months. For the switches, we're rocking with these additions from JWK and Mozano. These are the Eve switches, which is a linear based switch that has these pastel watermelon-like color to it. It has a 5-pin connection with an actuation force of 42 grams. That bottoms out at 55. You can purchase these switches for $49 in a pack of 70 pieces. I'll be lubing these switches by using Krytox 205 grade 0 paired up with this Lube and Station by HomeKid. This is an aluminum lubing station that can hold up to 32 switch components. It comes with tools to assist you with the process and has testers and switch removers all built into the unit. I won't be including these with the price of the keyboard since these are just accessories to assist you with the modding. If you're interested in these gadgets, I'll include a link to everything in the description of this video. These are the Die For Me keycap set from Mozano and DCS Doma Key. The price of these keycaps varies depending on what you choose. Since my build is a 65% keyboard, I only need the keycaps for those portions. But I do plan to use the same set for a future video, so I instead went with the TKL package. That resulted in the set costing $128, and I can't even imagine how much the full set would cost. I stated that I will be using this keyboard mainly for typing, so now that we put everything together, allow me to demonstrate with a short typing test. Since we're nearing the end of this video, I wanted to go over the total price of this build. Adding everything up together, this costed a total of $222. Well, since we went over a $200 budget, I'm guessing we're gonna have to scrap this video. To conclude things, let me know what you guys think about this build. Would this be something that you'll be interested in building yourself? Also, feel free to provide some feedback on what I can do to improve this keyboard. If you're interested in any of the products shown in this video, I'll leave links to everything in the description. I have plans to continue our keyboard building series, and I want to see what we can build on specific budgets. The best part about this is that we can recycle a lot of the hardware that we use for future content because some of these components aren't cheap. If you enjoy content like this, you can show your support by liking this video or subbing to the channel to see more stuff like this in the future. I wish you the best of luck in your keyboard journey, and until we meet again, take care.